Hey everybody, this is Dad from Ray and Dad, and today Ray and I are taking you all to check out the Houston area live steamers where we ride model trains, which is crazy. It was a lot of fun. It's something we've done in the past. We did that last year and really enjoyed ourselves. The Houston area live steamers is a hobbyist group that puts on free train rides once a month. And so check out their website at howls.org to find out the scheduling. We did the Halloween version where they went through the haunted woods. So check out the howls.org and check out, I think they have a Christmas one coming up here soon. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you can keep up on all of our adventures. Now, take you on to go check out the Houston area live steamers and the haunted woods. And make sure to enjoy. All right, here we go. Woo, that was a loud whistle. Off we go on the haunted train ride. Houston area live steamers at Zuby Park. Let's say goodbye to everybody. We don't know if we'll ever see them again. Hello, goodbye. Hello, hello. Not sure what's going to happen. Hey. Off we go. And goodbye, Dracula. Goodbye. All right, we're on our way. Here's the car barn. I think the engine barn is back behind us. We've already passed that one. And we'll come around on this side. So Ray and I came and did this last year, right, Ray? We did this last year and really enjoyed it, so we're back for seconds. This year they have a lot more trains running than they did last year, which is nice. Oh, look at the little steam train. Little piggy jar. Oh, and a glider over there. Haunted woods ahead. Here we go. Yarmady, beware of ghosts. Ooh, that's creepy. Lots and lots of ghosts. Ooh, that looks like our yard decoration, right? Oh, here comes a little bridge. I love the little bridges. Oh, look, there's a Snoopy. I'll get a picture of Snoopy. Oh, look at Snoopy. Hi, Snoopy. There's a giant Jack Skellington. Oh no, we've entered the spider forest. Dun dun dun. Ah! It's coming right for me. Oh no, look at that one. Whoa, so many spiders. Whoa. Spider Hollow. Oh no, those miniature people are being eaten by a giant spider. So, have you been scared yet, Ray? No, not yet. Okay. Let's see if anything scares us in here. They had like a Slender Man or something that scared us last time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was scary. Oh my goodness, that's scary. Ah! Oh, that was not okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now we're coming up to Dead End Cemetery. Wait, we didn't stop. It's not a dead end. We survived, Ray. We survived. Or did we? Maybe it really is a dead end. Oh, look. The caretaker's turned to a skeleton. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, Mike Myers. Ooh, that was creepy. So far it's been quiet, which always makes me worry in these haunted woods. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Somebody put that poor skeleton on a stick. Huh. Just love the ambience of hearing the train roll through the tracks. It's pretty cool. Oh, this is cute. And a bunch of pumpkins up here. Look how small the track and the bridges are. Pretty cool. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that. Giant spiders getting the train. And on this side, some pumpkins. One more pumpkin. I think we survived the haunted forest, Ray. What do you think? Yeah.
There's a 90% chance, because you said that if you're ever in a horror movie, you're gonna die first.
Oh, no, don't tell me that.
Never expect it's over.
Oh, no, okay. Thanks, that's good advice, Ray. Never expect it's over, because you will be the first to go. Either that or whenever you're like in the bathroom, right? Is also when you always seem to get it. So. Oh, I see more. Ooh. Somebody took down Pumpkinhead already. I think the wind took Pumpkinhead out, but oh, look at the Slender Man person. Oh, those are creepy. And a witch. Whoa! What's that guy? Whoa, that was cool. So it looks like they have a whole bunch of track here, so you can do more than just this main track. There are all kinds of little side tracks. I wonder where they go. Also a very exciting junction. It's a bunch of bricks or cinder blocks. Oh, all right. Okay, can I say it yet, Ray? Can I say we survived? Can I say we survived
you
yet?
can say we survived when we stop.
Okay, when we stop. Okay, not until then. into the station. So apparently good things happen when you get on this side of the power lines, and bad things happen on that side of the power lines. So we're coming on the good side of the power lines, slowly but surely. But one last bridge to get over. Woo, that was a close one. All right, I think we've almost made it back to the train station, and there's quite a line now. Look at this line. That's amazing. The thing just started, was supposed to start at 2. We got here about 1:40, and there was already a pretty good line going around, and it took us about 4 or 5 trains to get on, but they've got about 5 or 6 trains going, so it didn't take a whole lot of time. It seems like they're rolling through people pretty quick, which is really nice to see. So they're definitely moving the crowds, but it is pretty busy. There are a lot of people here. All right, Ray, what'd you think?
It's fun.
Was that fun?
Mm-hmm.
You highly recommended people, especially for the price tag? The price tag is free. So I think that was a lot of fun. So thanks all for joining us on this ride around with the Houston area live steamers. It was a lot of fun. Oh, and we're here. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed checking out the Houston area live steamers. It was a lot of fun riding the train. We couldn't believe how busy it was. Ray and I both had a great time doing that. So Ray's not able to join me today for the intro or outro. She had some other things going on this weekend. However, we wanted to make sure we got this video out for you. So although Ray's going to be in the video and we did the adventure together, I'm taking care of the intro and outro today, as you can see. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notification so that way you can keep up on all our adventures. Thank you all for joining us, and make sure to enjoy. Let's wave goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. We hope to see you again. Maybe we'll never see you again. It is a haunted train ride after all.